Hey guys, have you guys been out looking at condos and you come across a condo that has an amazing look on the outside, a beautiful lobby like this, has really nice amenities, you go upstairs, you see a beautiful unit, but you wish you could take the neighbor's wall down so you can have all that space? Let me show you something. Our client had the same dilemma, moving from a bigger house into a condo, but they came up with the perfect solution. You know what they did? They took unit 303 and 304, combined it to make an awesome 1,400 square foot unit. Let me show it to you. All right guys, so we are in unit 303 right now, where we have a kitchen, living room, dining room, an office, and right over here would have been a wall. But guess what? This is unit 304. We've got 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a nice balcony back there. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking now. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. I hope you guys love this condo as much as I do. My contact information is going to be on the screen. I encourage you guys to reach out to me. I would love to show you this condo in person. And until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.